We begin tonight with the Troubleshooter Special Report.
Yeah, we're calling it Tax, Title, and License because we keep getting phone calls and emails from many of you claiming you bought a vehicle from a local dealership, yet months later, you're still waiting on your license plate. Well, Andy Lascano has been looking into this for months now, and he is here in our studio live to tell us more about what you found out.
It's kind of interesting. I think we all know that state law requires dealerships to get you your plates within 30 days from date of purchase, but due to the number of complaints against one local dealership, the state comptroller's office has stepped in, and now that dealership is under investigation. This woman told her story to the troubleshooters last week. She had a complaint against Corpus Christi Subaru and asked that we not show her face and only mention her by her last name, Vargas. Ms. Vargas says she bought this 2014 Mustang from Corpus Christi Subaru in September 2017 but never received her license plates until, she claims, she had to reapply for them and only recently received them. The troubleshooters have taken this and other complaints we received to Subaru General Manager Ronnie Lillard to get his explanation. But it turns out Vargas's complaint isn't the only one, not by a long shot. At the request of the troubleshooters, the Texas DMV provided a list of complaints they've received over the last year against this dealership. All of these read failure to apply for title, which has to happen in order for you to get your plates. Many of them also read a signed investigator case. This has become such a serious problem, Nueces County Tax Assessor Collector Kevin Kieschnick says. He notified the state comptroller's office.
It's not acceptable, and it's the reason why you guys are getting so many complaints, and we need that information, and that's the reason why the comptroller went in there, and that's probably why a lot of these people are finally getting their plates.
He's talking about all of these people, the hundreds of title and registration applications turned into his office by the dealership, but only after Kieschnick urged the comptroller's Criminal Investigation Division to pay a visit to Corpus Christi Subaru a few weeks ago. Some of these applications, Kieschnick pointed out, go back as far as 10 months.
Is that illegal? Is that breaking the law?
Well, it is breaking the law because the state says they're supposed to turn that in within 30 days of date of sale.
And Kieschnick adds, not only is this dealership holding on to state sales tax funds for an unnecessarily long period of time by not turning the applications in, they're also putting you at risk.
That's people who are at risk of getting pulled over. Those are people at risk for there not being a record with their vehicle. They're at risk of getting impounded if they get pulled over by a law enforcement officer. There's all kinds of things that can go wrong with this.
Things like this, perhaps? 2 cars from local dealerships, both run by Lillard with identical temporary tags. Kieschnick says the DMV will look into that. Just last week, on our visit to Corpus Christi Subaru to speak with Lillard about Ms. Vargas's complaint and the investigation by the comptroller's office, he called police, told them he didn't ever want to see us on his property again.
We've had Mr. Lozano here a few times disrupting our business and causing huge problems to our entire company. Can't have him here at any of our locations ever again. I'd like to issue a no trespassing for him.
Well, here's another reason why this is so important. The Texas Sunset Advisory Commission is an agency that finds ways to cut excess government spending by holding state agencies accountable. The commission says the state collected nearly $10 billion in vehicle sales and rental taxes over the last couple of years, but they recommended to the legislature that the DMV lacks adequate resources to effectively investigate title fraud. In other words, they need more help. You can see the Commission's entire recommendation to the legislature for the DMV by clicking on my story on our website, kztv10.com. And as always, whenever you need our help, just call us, 885-0100. Andy Lascano, Action 10 News.